Welcome back to my channel again, and today we'll see how to create some button styling and some animations. So let's start coding. So it's a basic part. We need to create some buttons and some animations and some styling part. So let's start with the button. Okay, basic action we need to create inside that. Okay, basic action means what we want to do in the action. We will say print statement, and we can say button clicked. Okay, and fine. So after that we want to create one image and one text. So text will be the button text, and we can say it should be horizontally. So H stack, inside that one image. I will say it should be a system image. We can take it system image. System name should be, I can say, bookmark. We can take bookmark dot fill should be, and one text, that is a label, that is a value. So we'll say bookmark. Fine. Okay, let's see how it should look. What is this error? Fine, it's removed. So let's see, we'll run it. So I think it should be a simple button with the bookmark fill blue color icon. So this is a basic one. Now once it will, okay, looks cool, right? Button action, perfect. So now we want to create some gradient button styles which implement the button style protocol, we can say. So let's start. We create the structure of gradient button style, which is a button style protocol we can take. Fine. Inside that what we want to do, we can create one function, func make body, and some configuration we can set it. Configuration. So it should be self dot configuration. Fine. And their return should be some similarly view. Okay, and fine. So we can say configuration dot label. Okay, and then what we need to do, set some foreground, some modifiers we can use. Foreground color dot white color will be fine, and then some padding we can add it, and some background color. Background, okay, so background we can add for linear. It should be linear gradient, and the value will be, argument type will be gradient. Okay, so we need to set the gradient colors, gradient, and colors we can say argument should be colors. And which type of color, we can say, I think we can take an array of color dot red comma color dot, I'd say, orange. Fine. Okay, and now these are the starting points, and so starting point should be always be leading, and you can use trailing. Looks fine. And then we can say some more, corner radius also we can set it. Corner radius should be, I say, 15.0. Looks fine. Okay, so what we will do now, this is a type of button style, right? So when we created a button over there, so what we can do, we can say we need to put some button style here itself. Modifier button style should be gradient button style. Fine. Looks fine. Yeah, so what we'll do now, we will run it. Sorry. Yeah, so let's see how it is looking. So we have created a custom gradient button style so that we can use in our button style modifier. Looks fine, right? Now one thing you notice, nothing is means like no animation, nothing is there, right? So for that purpose, what we can do, we can add one more modifier that is called scale effect, right? Yeah, that is fine. Scale effect. So that should be a configuration is pressed. Okay, and we need to pass, suppose 1.3 column, that is the values, and 1.0 we can say effect. So a little bit more clear. Fine. So let's see what happens. And yeah, So I think some effect will be there, so you can identify. Oh, see, super. You can see that, right? Similarly, what we can do, we can set background, like is something color you want to change, right? So what we can do, we can set dot background, okay, and configuration dot is pressed color dot green, okay, and we can say color dot I think yellow will be fine, and we'll see. Let me comment this one and let's see. So it's like if you are clicking on the button, so you find some difference in that. Okay, that is this effect is also defined. We'll see. So what we'll do, we can remove this effect and let's see. So you can customize according to your need. So this is the basic stuff which I've shown to you. So I think let's see what happened, and yeah, so it should come fast. Yeah, see, at least you can see something has been clicked, some difference you can feel. So hope you guys understood the video, and please like it, subscribe it if you understood the video, and please do comments if you have any doubts. So thanks for watching.